know it's winter somewhere, but it's springtime right here. You need me to water the grass before it all disappears. Said you're sick of that high school shit. You need a college degree. So you took all your frustration to